Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on the 2018 AP Computer Science A free response question 3. All of these free responses have been released by the College Board, and you can find them by Googling. Then you'll get to this page. You can scroll down and just click here and you'll get this file. So let's start with number 3. The string checker interface describes classes that check if strings are valid according to some criterion. And we've got public interface string checker, and we must implement this is valid method. A code word checker is a string checker, so it's probably going to be implementing this string checker interface. A code word checker object can be constructed with 3 parameters, so that's one constructor, 2 integers and a string, and the first 2 parameters specify the minimum and maximum code word lengths respectively, and the third parameter specifies a string that must not occur in the code word. And you can also construct it with a single parameter, which is just the string that must not occur, and then you'll automatically initialize to 6 and 20 for the minimum and maximum. Here's some examples of how it works. So when you put in happy after using this constructor, you'll get true because it's between 5 and 8, and it does not contain this $sign. And you can look at example number 2 if you'd like as well. So we're assigned to write the complete code word checker class. So let's start. Public code word checker implements string checker, and we have to do that because we've said that code word checker is a string checker. So we've got to make some instance variables first, and since the constructor initializes the minimum, the maximum, and the string that must not occur, we'll just create those. So private int min, private int max, and private string not occur. Okay. So the first thing we'll do is go ahead and implement this first constructor. And so it says 3 parameters, 2 integers and a string. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So public code word checker and int min, int max, string not occur. Now if you've noticed, I've actually used the same variable names here as I have here, and some people don't like that. Personally, I'm okay with that because we have the this keyword, so we can say this.min equals min. So basically what we're saying is the instance variable min right here is equivalent to, or is going to be set equal to this min right here. So if you don't like that, you can always just change this variable name and just don't use the this keyword. But personally, this is what I'm going to be doing. So same thing with the other ones. This.max equals max, and this.not occur equals not occur. Okay. And then let's create the other constructor now. So this constructor is it only specifies a string that must not occur in the code word. So we'll say public code word checker, and it's only going to take one string, and string not occur. So there's a couple ways we could implement this. We could just call this constructor by saying this and doing 620 and then not occur, or we can just do just straight initialize these. So we can say min equals 6, max equals 20, and then this dot not occur equals not occur. Okay. So the next thing we need to do is, well, all the constructors done. So now all we have left to do is the isValid method. So public boolean is valid, and so it's going to take in the string str. So this can actually all be written in one line. So all we need to do is return whether this str matches all of the requirements. So we need to return whether str.length is greater than or equal to min, and if it's str.length, its length is a string method, so we need to use those parentheses. str.length is less than or equal to max, and if, well, we need to look at if this string not occurs in str. So we'll say string.index of, which is one option, or you can use .contains. I'll use index of. So if this index of not occur equals -1. Oops, -1. So this is going to only return true, that means it is valid, if the string length is greater than or equal to the min, is less than or equal to the max, and the index of not occur is -1, which means it doesn't occur in the method. And that's all we have to do for the isValid method, and that's all for free response 3. Thanks for watching.